Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to use the RFID Antenna Extender in the field. This extender in this version is 50 centimeters long, has sticking tape on the back, so you can very easily stick it to the back of your phone or on a Proxmark, for example. And the other side, you can stick it, for example, on a piece of paper, just like this, and you hide it behind some other paper, and you can very easily swipe it on a badge, and you get a very nice reading with your phone or Proxmark again. So it can be very covert, very easy to use, and you don't get detected. Thank you for watching.